Pontus arrived, and this is a jewel of DAX, I think. But I will show you now the problem. For me, the problem is the sound of the board. Okay, we start here. Okay, and here, and here, and then here. Every tone is different, and because this is R2R section here, and here it's very important to have here the same resonance, the same tone on the board, and that's very important for soundstage. It must be an open sound. I think this one is the best one, and this is dead. Yeah, these two are better, and so they sound different. Yeah, left and right channel, they sound different because of the high dampening here and the more open sound here, and so this is not good for mechanics and for the sound at the end. And I will change this, but first we have to burn in the device and test it and check it up if everything is fine with it. And I think Pontus is a wonderful device. It's so nice built, and I think you can see. Let's make audio porn, I call this. Yeah, or here. You can see Zilmic capacitors. Are these Zilmic? Can't see it. So. Yeah. And this is very nice, screwed directly to the board with power, and this is so nice. It's a very good solution to have the resonance base the same, not with cabling. Normally this cabling is this way, but I think this is a very good solution, and you will find this solution in the board of the Terminator Plus. The DSP board is here. You see the DSP board is made with these pins. I don't know the word. Goes there down, and it's pressed down, and pressure is every time it's bad. So it's better to have screws like this, yeah, and fix them properly. And so Terminator Plus here at the DSP board is, the mounting is better. Yeah. Pontus. It's a very nice sounding device, and the look of it is so nice. I like it. Yeah, and I might make I made my XLR tuning. So first, for the tuning, loose these screws, all of them. At every device you can lose these screws. Yeah, and then fix these screws. This one first. Okay, because you turn the screw to the right side to fix it, and if you fix this one first, there's much more force because of the length. Yeah, much more force if you turn it to the right to twist this plug, and if you do this first, the twist and the turn of the plug itself is not so strong and not so hard. So if it turns this way, yeah, so it will have pressure. Sorry. We'll have pressure. There it is. Pressure to this pin, okay? Because you turn it to this way, and it pulls this board down, and this pressure is bad for the sound. Yeah, and maybe extreme, sometimes it's extreme to the bass, yeah? And the bass, it's faster, and if you lose the screw, the board has more room to resonate and to resonate the full frequency spectrum. And the sound is much easier to hear, to listen to, no non-fatiguing, and the bass is much better. And so, try this, you don't lose your warranty, and it's only a screw on the outside. So it's no problem. All these are RAS EBU. You can lose the screws and the output, and Terminator Plus, and there's some more. It's not a problem to lose the screws. And you see it here. You can remove this. I don't know the word in this moment. Oh, I'm sorry. Lose these two. Okay, lose it, this one and these two, and then start fixing it only by twisting with the fingers, yeah, with this one, okay, then this one, then this one, and then this one, okay, and so it's a right from the middle, it's a right force to the complete board, okay, and so it's yeah. What else? Yeah. One moment, I will show you. Once again, here is the lid. Lid tuning. And a very cheap and easy way to tune the lid is this part here on top. Yeah, is it has to yeah, I will show you. I think. Okay, you have to put it inside, yeah, there, this way, yeah, so, there, yeah, it goes there, inside, okay, and then, here, this iron blade here, sits on top, maybe on top of your device, like this one. And if you have to press this very strong in this direction, to this direction, to press it down, that's very bad. Okay, because the plate here with all is fixed directly to the PCB board, and you press it down, this will make a curve to the outside. Okay, and so there is force on the board. So maybe you have to change here a little bit the edge, yeah, of this part to bring it down without pressing. Okay, so you see, it's not going down. Okay, now here, and you have to press it, and this one is a better one. There are some other ones that are much more force needed, and press it down, and you see it only goes to there, and then yeah, and this is the better one, and you hear it. Okay, some others are you can't do it or put it down. It will stay on top like this, and you have to press. That's not good for the sound. Change this. So this is mechanically two very big improvements for the sound, and I will give you for free. And there are so many other things you can do, and I will do in big tuning. And yeah, I can't tell you because it's my business. Okay. And you can send me your device, and I will do everything I can do for this device, and you will... It's unbelievable, yeah? After this, the Pontus, especially the Pontus, is unbelievable, the sound of the Pontus, okay? This is... I think it's, yeah, peak point or best point to buy. And Pontus is such a beautiful device. And in my rig... it's my headphone DAC for my personal computer with Tidal, and then with Audiovana, and to directly via USB to Pontus, and then to my Artemis. And you see here This is my Artemis. Yeah, and it will sit on top. Wait, I will do this. Yeah, that's it. Isn't it nice? And the sound is... Oh, the look is beautiful, the sound is beautiful. And machining and workmanship, craftsmanship is so nice. And yeah. So I will configure it now to hear the first impressions. And yes, what should I say more to this device? Okay, this is Dynafrips Artemis headphone amp, and this is it's a fully balanced way, and so this volume port is a very special one. Please go to Windshine Audio, to the website, and have a look inside of the device. And this volume port is so nice with network, resistor network, okay? And yeah, that other ones have a digital way to change the volume, or I think the purest way is with an blue Alps or something else. There is the sound here in the volume port is the sound, and with the and this is a fully symmetrical way to change the volume, and this is a complete symmetrical headphone amp, and you can hear this is so open and fast and powerful. And here's my headphone, my reference headphone, Sennheiser HD 800, and maybe my K1000 too, yeah. And this is my beauty, oh, I love them. It's a first owner of this one, and it's I don't know, 20 years or more. I will never will give it away, and it's tuned by me. You see the cabling is solid core cabling, and so wow. The YouTubers say wow, so nice, so nice, so nice. But this one is headphone amp from Kinky Studio, and this is nice too. And it drives the K1000, but you have to give much power in this way. But it sounds so nice, and it's not it's about €1,000 about, I think. And yes, I recommend this for your headphone rig and your personal computer or something else. This is a very fine headphone amp. So that's all from me from today, from my workshop. And here you see my new drill machine, and for the XLR plugs for my new cabling. And yeah, that's a trick no one has for this price. And there's another trick with the XLR plug from Neutrik, and no one has this trick. And my cables are musical. So have a nice day. See you. Bye.